Good morning يا سادس. We have today lesson 3. البعض منكم قرأ لي إياه، مشكورين، برافو عليكم، جد كانت قراءة بتجنن. مش الكل طبعا، الأغلب يعني قرأوا، كانت قراءة ممتازة جدا، فشكرا لكم، يعطيكم ألف عافية على جهدكم. اليوم بس حابة هيك شوي يعني نحكي عن هالقصة، نشوف شو هي، يعني ليش أعطانا هاي القصص. يعني حكى لنا إنه each story has a moral lesson. كل قصة في لها درس أو عبرة من وراء القصص. خلينا نشوف story number 1 The Dog and the Bone. باختصار we have here a dog. A dog that he saw a bone, so he didn't want to share this bone with others, so he took it to the river. When he was at the river, he thought that he saw another dog in the river, but it was a bigger one and it had a bigger bone. So he quickly jumped into the water to get the bone, but when he was in the water, he discovered that there was no bone or a dog, but he was looking at himself or the reflection of his picture. So he lost everything and he was very angry. The moral lesson from this story: be happy with the things you have. Be happy or don't be greedy. شو يعني don't be greedy؟ ما تكون طماع أو جشع. Be happy with the things you have. Don't ask for more or you will lose everything. Story number 2 The Lion and the Mouse. The moral lesson from this story is help people and they will help you in the future. We had a lion. He saw a mouse. At the beginning he wanted to eat her, but she said to him, please don't eat me. So he let her go. Yes, ما أكلها، أطلق سراحة. The next day the lion was caught in a net, so he was shouting and screaming help. He wanted from others to help him. Who helped him from getting away from the net? The little mouse. The little mouse helped him. How the mouse helped him? By using his sharp and little teeth. The mouse cut the net using his sharp teeth and helped the lion to get away and running away from the net. So help people and they will help you in the future. At the beginning of the story, the lion wanted to eat the mouse. At the end, the mouse helped him to run away from the net. Helped him to run away from the net and to not get caught again. The little mouse. So help people who need help and they will help you back in the future. Story number 3 The Boy and the Wolf. We have the moral lesson here: don't tell lies. Don't tell lies. Always say the truth and don't say lies. We had a boy who had a sheep. He was taking care of the sheep. At one day he was very bored. He had nothing to do, so he wanted to tell lie. What did he tell? He said that there was a wolf at his sheep and the wolf wanted to eat his sheep. So he shouted, help, there is a wolf. People of the town or of the village, they came quickly to help him, but they didn't find any wolf. He was lying. This is the first time. The second time also he was bored, so he shouted again, there was a wolf. The people came again trying to help him, but they didn't find anything. At the third time, and this is the time where he lost all of his sheep. Why? Because he was lying and there was an actual wolf. The wolf came and ate all of his sheep. When the boy saw the wolf, he saw a real wolf in front of him. He shouted to the people, help, there was a wolf, but the people didn't believe him. Why? Because he thought as usual that he was lying. إنه كالعادة فكروا إنه هو بكذب. So they didn't believe him and they did not come to help him. So the wolf ate all of his sheep. So the moral lesson here, don't tell lies. You have always to say the truth no matter what, always. As we see here, match the moral to the story. We said that moral means حكمة، العبرة أو الدرس الأخلاقي، درس المستفاد. Help people and they will help you in the future. The lion and the mouse. Be happy with the things you have. The dog and the bone. Or we can also say don't be greedy. Don't tell lies, or always said the truth no matter what. The boy and the wolf. We have here true, right, true or false. There were two dogs. False. We have only one dog, but the dog thought that there was two dogs. But actually he was seeing the reflection of his picture. The dog saw himself in the water. True, he saw himself. The lion was kind to the mouse. False. At the beginning of the story, he wanted to eat her, so he wasn't very kind. وما كان لطيف. False. The mouse couldn't help the lion. False. The mouse helped the lion by cutting the net with the sharp little teeth. The boy saw a wolf 3 times. False. In the 2 times he was lying. He saw the wolf only 1 time when he ate all of his sheep. The people didn't listen to the boy at the end. True, they didn't listen. The people thought he was lying, like in the first and the second time. And that's it يا سادس. هاي هي. يعطيكم ألف عافية مس.